Hi guys, so today I'm gonna make a parfait. So as you can see, let's get started. So as you guys can see, this is yogurt. This is coconut style yogurt, and this is also another type of yogurt, which is Greek style yogurt, as you can see. And you can use any sort of milk for parfait, but I prefer using this evaporated milk because it's very creamy. And this is cashew nuts, as you guys can see. This is blended coconut flakes. This is granola, and these are mixed fruits, syrup. So guys, before we get started, let's wash our hands. Now let's start. They're really hard to open sometimes, but let's just peel it off. So guys, you're going to mix the two type of yogurts together. So let's just continue with this one. First, let me just clean my hand because it's a bit messy right now. I don't want my hands to be messy. Let's continue. Okay guys, let's start stirring it. Make sure you stir it evenly. Okay, so now it's time for me to add my milk. Here it is. Spoons of milk, so it isn't too light and watery. Okay, now just whisk it again. Now you guys can add any amount of milk you prefer according to your choice. Okay, now let's just add the syrup. You can use syrup or honey, but I prefer syrup because I just think it tastes better. You can also add any amount of syrup of your choice. Okay guys, let's get stirring again. So guys, after the mixture, you just get a cup of your choice. But I would prefer you guys to get a bigger cup because it just depends on what you like. But I like a bigger cup because I like my things to be filled. So now let's just put the yogurt in the cup. Put it in the middle so it doesn't get everywhere. Okay, now as you guys can see, I'm just gonna slice my fruits now. Okay, these fruits have already been washed, as you can see. You can pick any fruit of your choice, but I like putting a variation of different type of fruits. So let's just slice it. And if you guys like bananas, you can add it, but I wouldn't advise you to add the banana if you want to keep it in the fridge for a long time, because banana also changes color and you wouldn't like if it changes color because it looks very like brownish and grayish color. Add this granola to your yogurt. So you need to spread it around evenly like this. Depends on how much you like, but I like it to be filled, so I just spread it evenly. Like this. Then you add your fruits. Make it colorful though. Okay, now you just continue the process you did for the first layer. As mentioned before, just add the granola again. Like this. Now add the fruits of your choice again. Now you just continue the process again, like this. Now just continue the process again. Just add more yogurt to the top. So as you guys can see, this is full. So now this is the end process. So for the end, you're just gonna add the granola. Many fruits as you can and make it pretty. Just add many variations of fruits as you can. Now it's your choice to add yogurt so that this cashew nuts and grounded coconut flakes stick. But like if you don't want to, you don't have to, but for me, I like putting it so it sticks and doesn't just fall off. So let's just add a little drizzle on it. So guys, let's just add the cashew nut now. You can put little or a lot depending on how much you like. I like to put a lot because I love cashew nuts. Now, for the grounded coconut flakes, it's a choice. You don't have to use it if you don't want it, but I like it because my mom likes when I add coconut flakes to it. So she just likes it. That's why I use it. You can put little or a lot depending on how you like it. I like to just put a little sprinkle. For the ending part, you can, so it looks professional. So guys, this is the end. As you can see, look how pretty it is. That's how you should make it look like. It shouldn't be messy and just somehow. She just looks so pretty. Guys, what do you think about my parfait? Doesn't it look good? It's so yummy. I can't wait to eat it. So guys, you can make as many cups as you want depending on who you're making it for and how much you would like to eat. You can make a lot if you like it like that. Guys, this is also a recipe you can make in parties. I made it for my sister's birthday party. I made it for her and her friends and they really liked it. So guys, you can also put this in the fridge if there's no banana to just make it chill and enjoyable. But if there's bananas, don't put it in the fridge because remember what I said at the beginning of the video. The banana is gonna change color. So guys, bye. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Bye.